Simulator is a Fiori app that can be launched, deployed in BTP as well as in standalone EC Payroll. It can be accessed directly from Fiori Launchpad, or if you have Employee Central, you can point it to the Employee Central as shown over here. Let's go to the app itself. Shane Credon, who is a payroll admin, has opened the application and he's trying to simulate the payroll for himself. His work location address, he moves to San Francisco and he tries to compare his upcoming payslip. As shown over here, his tax authority have changed to California based upon its work location, and his tax deductions have also changed. His net pay has also changed. We can also do AI insight to provide some purpose around the changes as shown over here. We can do multiple changes at one time. For example, I'm trying to change the basic pay also for Spain, and we again compare the payslip. Now you will see the basic pay has changed from Shane Freedom. It has changed to 5 figures now. And because of that change, everything has changed for him. Let's go and see the AI insight for Shane Freedom. Now this AI insight also provides some verbos around the basic pay change. Let's go and change some of his 401k contribution. So as you can see, I have done at least 3-4 changes simultaneously and showing the impact, the combined impact of these changes. If you have only one scenario to be changed, you can just pick up one, change that, and go through the impact. Right now, I'm showing the capability of changing multiple things at one shot. Let's go and change the home address too, because that's the most important, most asked scenario from employees. They want to move to a different state and they want to see the impact on taxes because of their move. So this person is moving from New Jersey to California, San Francisco. Now you will not be seeing any New Jersey for tax withholding. Tax withholding, you are going to see California. All taxes will be related to the California state, as you can see over here. Right? So this application provides not only single information change, but also impact based upon multiple changes. If you want to have more scenarios to be added to the list, you can easily add them in the payroll solution, in the backend payroll solution. We also provide a wage type comparison tool. All the wage types, whether it's technical, whether it's logical, all the wage types difference and comparison is also provided over here. Let's change even the tax withholding information. So as you can see, as many info types that you would like to add, you can add it over here. There is a configuration in the backend which just needs to be tweaked a little bit. It just takes a minute for us to add it, and the same reflects over here. You can also download this payslip for your reference. There is a Shane Credon. As a payroll admin, Shane Credon can go and also see any other employee who belongs to the pay group that is administered by Shane Credon. So he can pick any employee and he can do the same kind of simulation. Remember, this application, what he's doing right now, is done where there is no employee central. It is done on the Fiori app, which is in a standalone EC payroll, which is not integrated with employee central, and this is not in the BTP. Now, this one is a solution where the EC is calling this Fiori app in the ECP. Again, it is not a BTP solution that I'm now sitting here, but we do have a BTP version of this solution. It's the same functionality. It's just that it's been called from the EC. But as you know, once the application is there in the Fiori Launchpad, in the backend EC payroll, you can provide that link to the front end, and front end will be able to, front end, when it's like EC, will be able to call that app. Again, we're trying to change the address over here for Shane Credon himself. As you can see, I have done only two changes: the home location and the work location. I have not changed any other thing. Only those two combinations I have changed just to showcase that only the California tax authority is using. So once I collapse that particular section, that will not be used for the simulation. Only the expanded section will be used. So right now it's showing only the 401k change that I have done. Right? It's only 10% change. Thank you.